I do think that we're making progress. There's so many more Native people who are writing books, who are ascending into positions where they can, be part of the conversation. And by the way, you want all the different people in the conversation. Just imagine, what happens if you have the all-male gender equity team? Right? It sounds ridiculous, because it is. You're missing some vital perspectives, and it doesn't matter how liberated, thoughtful, and whatever those guys happen to be. Then they're going to come up with a great idea, might be right, might be wrong, and then they got to go get buy-in. But if men and women are both populating the conversation, then you don't have to get buy-in, it's coming from everybody. Kind of makes sense, right? It's like that with the racial issues too. If you have wonderful ideas and wonderful humans, and you come up with a wonderful idea, or what you think is one, and then you're shocked because it doesn't land, or you got to go out and get buy-in, then you're missing vital perspectives. But if everybody's in the room when you're making the decisions, and it's coming from everybody, well, then it works differently. Yeah, we don't have to get caught up in a culture war. We can actually serve everybody and all their needs.